Okay, Krishna, it's time for bowling. Let's have some fun with this bowling kit, okay? We can have a game and we can go Mama and Krishna and we can see who's the winner. You want to go 3 rounds?
Yes.
Okay, let's open this bowling set and see what we have. What did we have? What did we get?
What are these two?
We have 2 bowling balls. One for you and one for Mama. And then we have...
I need this fast one.
Okay, you get the fast one. And then...
And you will get the slow one.
Okay, this is for Mama. This is Mama's. Okay, and here are the bowling pins. This is 1.
I will take it.
Okay,
This is
you
a
have
pin.
it.
What?
This is 2.
Wanna do?
And here comes 3. After 3 comes 4. And what comes after 4?
5.
Here is your 5. And 5. After 5 comes 6.
When I turn it down, it becomes 1.
It becomes a 9. That's a 6. Here is our 7. This is number 8. Along comes 9. And finally arrives
No,
10.
no, I like it. I don't want 6 here.
Krishna, I challenge you to a game of bowling. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, we're going to play 3 rounds. And the winner is who wins all the 3 or 2 of the 3, okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's go! You go! Yay! Okay, one more try for Krishna. Woo! Good job, Krishna! Okay.
I will get the ball.
Okay, round number 1, Mama's turn, okay?
Do it.
And here goes Mama! Boo!
You
I got only 1.
I go.
Okay, wait. Okay, now starts round number 2 and it is Krishna's turn and go! And it is knockout again! Wow! Okay, that's 2 out of 3 already. That's a excellent score. Okay, Krishna. Round number 2, Mama's turn.
Do it.
1 and 2 and 3. Boo. Okay.
It has counted.
Okay. All right. This is final round of challenge. Round number 3. And here comes Krishna.
No, you try again.
Okay, you try and then Mama try, okay?
Not me.
Okay. Alright, round number 3, Mama go first, okay? And here goes Mama. And Mama got A. Ching, 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 ching. Okay.
Ding.
Okay, let's go. Come on, come on. Final round challenge number 3 and Krishna's turn. Challenge round number 3 and it's a knockout again. Wow, 3 knockouts in the room and then Krishna wins.
like this way.
Krishna won, and that was a good game. Lots of fun bowling. Here's a bowling champ.
I hope you had fun playing with me. Please give me a like and subscribe here.